Okay guys, so good morning. Okay, markets have been very wild today. So let's see. We got this market tanking here. Then we see
Long signal
the
and
order
Q.
blocks here. You see 1, 2, and 3. And you know what happens when these things happen, guys. If you just trade these order blocks in the correct way, you're gonna make money. Okay, so we see the ATRs hit the tape hitting the ATR. We see the visual imbalance screaming to the upside on the three instruments, which are the ES, micro ES, and MNQ. Okay, so uh, lots of traders caught this long here. Very good trade, guys. Congratulations, you made money. So right now we see another one here, as you can see here, and the market went ballistic to the upside. You know what happens when this happens. 1800 contracts here, and the micro ES is incredible. 5,000 contracts here, 2,000 contracts here. So I was waiting for a bigger pullback to re-enter the trade here, but I missed it. Over here we see the bottom fishing here from the visual imbalance, 170 contracts. Then this one is 2,270, and we see 2,000 over here in the micro ES. Market is going higher. I will wait for a little pullback so I can enter a trade right now. Still, based on the trading plan, we are looking only for longs. Remember, we are above the 2 ATRs, meaning we are on the 15-minute candle,
Brick setup.
15-minute time frame. Okay, so we're just gonna wait and see what the market will make. Else, I don't still see the buyers or sellers really taking control. It's just crawling up, crawling up. Okay, so well, we took the short in the morning, guys. That was a very good trade. Okay, so we're gonna wait and see if we can get another trade today, and we're
Short
gonna wait,
signal
guys.
and Q.
Okay, so showing the morning, guys. This was the trigger signal here. Okay, to the tick, guys. To the tick. I think it missed it by one tick. And then the market broke the second ATR and went ballistic down. So we're waiting for the next trade, guys. Okay, guys, so now we're waiting for the market to do a reversal here. We are in a good landing area, but still it's not convincing. We are at lunch right now, so okay, guys, so I think everything is setting up right now, but still see a mixed buyers and sellers, so it's very tough to trade this way.
Long signal and Q.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna go long here. Gonna give it some room. These guys are a little bit crazy. Big buyers in the tape, guys. Big buyers in the tape. We see 9 prints in the same second, so this guy's in a hurry. We see the imbalances. We didn't get to the market to go to the second ATR, so these guys are sellers just couldn't push it. And let's see if we can catch our winning trade here. I don't think we are in the wrong side of the market. See the buyers trying to push it. Need to see more buyers in the Nasdaq, as you know that the Nasdaq is the leading indicator here.
Long signal and Q.
There we go, more buyers. They're gonna break the high. Okay, we see more buyers in the tape. They need to break that high. We see visual imbalances all over the way up. This happened in this leg too. See here? See more buyers in the tape. 90, 80. Almost there, guys. We see 5 prints in the same second on the Nasdaq and the micro ES. I mean on the ES and 192. Big sellers in the tape.
Long signal
There you
ES.
go. There you go. Buyers in the tape. 170, 122, 158. Almost there, guys. See the Nasdaq pushing higher. 262. It's a lot of contracts. There we go, guys. Almost there. A little push. Come on, NQ. NQ is the leader, guys. If NQ doesn't move, anything moves. Nothing moves. Nothing.
Long signal ES. Long signal and
There you go,
Q.
guys. Free trade now. No problem. Free trade now. I don't care what happens right now. We're at the ATR. I should expect sellers here. But the NQ is still pushing. Okay, guys, still crawling here. This is the way I like Nasdaq to behave, guys. This is, this is the algos pointing in the same direction. This is what I like. Still, if the market reverses here, up $300. Okay, so it's not a bad trade. The market just didn't retrace as expected, and every signal that we take, you see what happens. We see in the Nasdaq, we see the 3 boxes here. 1, 2, 3. You see them? You see them, okay? So this is our order blocks, guys. This is order blocks. These guys are telling you we're not going down. We're not going down. Okay, guys, almost
Long
there.
signal ES.
This is like watching paint dry, guys. Market consolidated here. Did a box here, the Nasdaq. And okay, we are up almost 500 bucks, guys. Let's see if we can make it to the target. Else, it's okay, guys, no matter what.
Long signal ES.
Big buyers in the tape. See the micro ES, the ES. Okay, that's it,
long
guys.
signal ES.
Okay, this was very terrible here. Market stalled here, but they couldn't drop it. So remember, I had a free trade now. So if I could lose 400, 300, oh, no problem. So I got the hit here, but it took a while to form. So too much time, guys. So I just couldn't film that. As you can see, we can see the triangles here, guys. Look at this, guys. And they always do the same thing over and over again. Look here, guys.
Brick setup.
Stopping volume here. Then we see another one here. And the algos goes crazy. Okay, so that will be it for today, guys. Sorry for too long video, man. It took a while to form a trade, and not as expected, but it's a good trade. It's not a textbook trade. Okay, so but it's a good trade. I was in the right side of the market, so that worked out. Okay, guys. So if you're interested in the system, there's a link in the description of this video. You can contact me. I will be happy to send you information. Thanks for watching, guys.